Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how you can tell when the batteries in your 4K Freesat box remote are running low and need replacing. So these Freesat boxes, or rather the remote itself, actually does have a feature that tells you when the batteries need replacing, so that's pretty handy. And the way it tells you is when you press a button on the remote, it'll respond. But if you press something else straight away, it won't do that. And if you wait a few seconds and then press on, then it'll respond again. And if you look at the remote and press a button, it'll flash 6 times. That doesn't include the LED coming on when you press a button. So basically, you press a button and the LED comes on, and then when you let go of that button, it'll flash 6 times quickly. Very fast, and that's basically telling you that the batteries need replacing in your remote. So basically, if you're trying to press buttons quite quickly to navigate on screen, and it does one thing but then it doesn't do the rest of the buttons that you press, and if you look at the remote and it flashes 6 times quickly, that means the batteries need replacing. Unfortunately, it doesn't actually tell you on the Freesat box itself that the batteries need replacing. It would be nice if it did, but maybe there's just not a sort of detection like that tells you on screen, at least not at the moment. Maybe they'll add it in a future update, I don't know, but at the moment you just have to look at the remote and the remote tells you. So yeah, if you're wondering how to tell when the batteries need replacing, or if your remote is flashing 6 times and isn't responding, then now you know why. So if you replace the batteries with new ones, or if like me you prefer to use rechargeable, charge them up and put them in the remote, and the remote should work absolutely fine. If your remote still doesn't work properly, even with new batteries in, you can let me know in a comment below and I'll try to help you out. But that's it. That's how to tell when the batteries are running low and need replacing in your 4K Freesat remote. I'm not sure about previous and other Freesat boxes, but in the 4K Freesat box remote, this is how you can tell when the batteries need replacing. Or if you're wondering why your remote is flashing 6 times, now you know why. So thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.